So it's Saturday night. We're gonna make some popcorn for a movie. And this is one of your old-fashioned regular popcorn machines. It is the Whirly Pop original popcorn maker. The measurements that I find that work really well are the 2 teaspoons of oil to 2 tablespoons of popcorn. What we have here is a sample box that allows you to be able to try out the different kind of popcorn, and tonight we are trying out this rainbow one. So we're gonna have popcorn for a while, especially if we continue with the measurements that I've been using. So we've got the 2 tablespoons of corn to 2 teaspoons of oil. So as you can see, we've got the oil in there heating up, and then in here I have the 2 tablespoons of the rainbow corn. Never had this before, but we will give it a shot. Give it a try, and we're just gonna let this collect some heat. Maybe swirl it around with some oil, and slowly spin it. And we should hear some popcorn being popped soon enough. Hear that? That's popcorn. Making popcorn. Making popcorn. And we've got popcorn. So, pretty good. Very good. Sometimes it's okay to put a little bit of this stuff in there, but you can use whatever flavors you want. And there you go. It's so good. I think maybe I might have toasted it a little bit too long, but it's still really good. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Be safe.